Hello friends, how are you again? Today I'm gonna make a video of my dream home. I'm gonna make a revision of my dream home in the Philippines. So the main revision for this video is the, instead of the garage, it's gonna be an open carport. So the idea behind the open carport is that to provide more ventilation and more airflow to the kitchen right there. Okay, so I'll give you a tour later on, and also another part of the main revision is the shop and the laundry room right here. Okay, so another one is the color of the steps going to the elevated floor. It's been changed in color right there. Okay, so we'll start from the tour. Here's the street view, and as we zoom in, you can see the gate right there, and the person gate right there with an arch door. Walk through the open path with the curved path, flowers on the sides, both sides. And you go to the steps to the elevated floor. But before going there, I'll show you the centerpiece here. Centerpiece, there's a garden, center tree or shrub, bush, and then there's flowers all around the oval. Yeah, so then here is the open concept. Children are so loud over there. So now you can see the open concept, open carport with the two posts, because these two posts will support the second floor. So that's the main revision. And then the laundry room and my woodworking and metal shop right here as well. 4 windows to provide more ventilation and light for my shop and the laundry room. Laundry, here's the washer and dryer in the corner right there. Okay, so right behind my shop is the barbecue area on the backyard. Here's the backyard area where you can plant where I can plant vegetables and fruit trees right there. Here's a look from the side, right side, fronts, and then the side. And that's the big change, is that open carport with a window, uh, the kitchen right here. Okay, view on the left side. So now I'm gonna tour inside the house so that you can see the finishes. So we open the gate here, the person gate. Then we walk this curved path with flowers on each side, and we reach this front porch leading to the front door. There's 3 steps, 4 inches each height of the steps, total of 12-foot high elevated floors on the main floor. Now you notice there are seats here in the front patio for coffee in the morning or afternoon. Then we enter through this double door. Then now we're inside the main floor, and the first thing we see is the TV and couch and the stairs that leads to the second floor. Then next is the dining, 8-seater dining table, and then the island and the kitchen. There's the fridge, and over here is the first floor room, small room with a small bed, one window. Right beside it is the first floor washroom with a stand-up shower and one window. So look on the top view, tiles right there, tile finish, the washroom, simple white tile. Okay, and then there's a door that leads to the carport right here. And let's open carport. And now that's the window that I was telling you earlier. If you look from inside the kitchen, is now that window. Provide more lighting and airflow, ventilation. So now the overall effect is that it's a bright main floor. Lots of windows all around. Here's the windows. Okay. Just rotating view of the main floor. That's the window. You can see the kitchen from the carport through the window. Here's my shop and laundry with first in just behind the carport. Right outside my shop is the barbecue area in the backyard. that's what it looks like from the top, showing the main floor. Okay. You can see the gate right there and the oval for the cars to make a U-turn. Okay, that's the backyard to plant fruit trees and vegetables. Okay, so now gonna go into the second floor. Okay, so we get up from the stairs, go up, and we see this royal blue tiles or on the second floor and also on the terrace. It's an L-shaped terrace over here. L-shaped terrace with royal blue tiles. The reason for the L shape is that on the left side there's a nice mountain view. Okay, so go up from the stairs, and the first thing that we see, first door, is the door to this guest room. Small guest room with small bed and one window. Next door is the door to the master bedroom. That's the husband and wife right there. With 4 windows. And then there's an ensuite washroom right there. White tiles, 2 windows. And then get out, and then there's this third door is the door to my daughter's room right there. And 2 windows, and the finish of the walls are beige, and right next to it is my son's room. 2 windows each side, corners, and then the wall finish is light blue. Okay. So now we go to the last door, which is the common washroom on the second floor with bathtub and 1 window right there. Tiles, a little bit darker tiles. Okay, and over here is the 2 love seats and TV, small entertainment center in the second floor, And there's also a nice view here. uh, Windows so that you can see the farmlands outside from the second floor. Okay, give you a view of the second floor. From the side, okay, looking from the left side. Here, looking an angle to the left side. Front, you can see the carport, open carport right there. Looking from the at an angle from the right side. Show you the terrace, L-shaped terrace. Mold. Show you the first floor only. Okay, and we're back to the front. Okay, and again, this revision is this open carport here, and the shop and the laundry at the back of the carport, the window of the kitchen. Alright, so that's the main revision for this video. I'll see you next time, and if there's another good ideas and suggestions, then I'll make a revision again to the project here. So the second floor right there. Alright, so till next time, cheers and have a good one.